Hey there, Instagram enthusiasts! Ever wondered how to effortlessly share an Instagram profile? Well, you're in luck because today, we've got you covered. Sharing profiles, whether it's yours or someone else's, might seem like a daunting task, but fear not. We're here to guide you through the process step by step. So, without further ado, let's jump right into it. Now, let's start with the mobile devices. Since the majority of us are glued to our phones, it's essential to know how to share profiles seamlessly. Lucky for you, there are 3 different methods you can try out. The first method involves a simple copy and paste technique. Whether it's your own profile or someone else's, all you need to do is follow these easy steps. Step 1. Open the Instagram app and head over to your profile. Step 2. Tap on the Share Profile button. Step 3. Click on Copy Link. And voila! You've successfully copied the profile link to your clipboard. Now, you can share it wherever you please. Method 2. Share Instagram profile through direct message. If you prefer a more personal touch, you can share profiles through Instagram DMs. Here's how. Step 1. Log into your Instagram account. Step 2. Find the profile you want to share and click on the 3 dots icon. Step 3. Select Share this profile and choose the recipient. Step 4. Hit Send, and you're done. This method is perfect for sharing profiles with multiple users at once, albeit within the platform. Method 3. Share your Instagram profile using a QR code. Lastly, we have the QR code method, which Instagram introduced in 2020 for easy profile sharing. Here's how it works. Step 1. Open Instagram and head to your profile. Step 2. Tap on QR code and download the image. Step 3. Share the QR code with anyone you want. Similarly, you can share other profiles by accessing their QR codes through the same steps. Now, for those of you who prefer the big screen, let's talk about sharing profiles on desktop. Step 1. Open www.instagram.com and log in. Step 2. Head to the profile section and copy the link from the address bar. It's as simple as that. Whether it's your profile or someone else's, you can easily share it using this method. And there you have it. Sharing Instagram profiles doesn't have to be complicated. With these simple methods, you can share profiles effortlessly, whether you're on mobile or desktop. So go ahead, share your favorite profiles with friends, family, or anyone who might be interested. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks on all things Instagram.